Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Guri application on a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, open up your App Store or your Play Store. In the search box, type in Guri and perform your search. Once you find the application in the search result, tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. Wait for the application to be downloaded, which will only take a few minutes. Once the app is downloaded and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap to launch Open Guri app on your mobile device. That is how you can easily download Guri on your mobile device, whether you are using an iOS device or an Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.